Your Excellency, you may take your seat. Honorable Chief Justice, please, you may take your seat. At this point, I wish to call upon the Head of Public Service to receive the oaths from the Chief Registrar for safe custody. As I mentioned earlier, one copy will be handed over to His Excellency, the Deputy President, another will be retained by the judiciary, and one copy will be handed over to the Head of Public Service for safe custody. Thank you.
But there's another. That's all.
They're both there, yes. At this point, of the program, may I invite His Excellency the President to hand over a ceremonial copy of the Constitution of Kenya to His Excellency the Deputy President, Professor Kindiki, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency. His Excellency, the President, is handing over the Constitution to His Excellency, the Deputy President. Your Excellencies, if you could remain on stage for a brief photo session to commemorate this event. The first photo will feature His Excellency, the President, and His Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Thank you.
What happened? What is
it? May I invite, thank you. May I now invite Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice, to join in the second photo.
We may take our seats. We may take our seats for the sake of the cameras behind you.
I now invite
we may take our seats, please.
The Honorable Chief Registrar and the Honorable Attorney General to join in the next photo. All right. For the second last photo, I kindly request Her Excellency, the spouse of the Deputy President, Dr. Joyce Kithure, and Her Excellency, the First Lady, Rachel Ruto, to join in the fourth photo, with the request that the Honorable Chief Justice remains in this photo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. For the final photo, we have His Excellency the President, His Excellency the Deputy President, Her Excellency the First Lady, and Her Excellency the spouse of the Deputy President. I request the Chief Justice to please take her seat. Thank you.